making this quick. Today's November 29th. That means tomorrow Kenzie will be 12. This is your last day being 11. How do you feel?
Good.
What's your favorite thing about being 11? I know.
Having the same number.
Oh, good. Okay, love you. Happy almost birthday.
For no reason.
Hi, it's Wednesday. Dad has go, go, go energy. I have none. Slept good, but I have no energy.
That's the story of our life, that we're always opposite.
This hair is the result of I slept. Right now we're going to Hobby Lobby. I'm talking very soft. We're going to Hobby Lobby to get balloons and what else, Dad? Maybe cake plates, wrapping paper,
decor,
boxes.
Hopefully everything.
Because tomorrow morning, actually tonight at midnight, the 11-year-old lifts out and the 12-year-old comes in. We'll have a 12-year-old tomorrow. And then Dad, what kind of cake did Kenzie request? What are you getting? A chocolate?
She, in the end, decided she wants chocolate all the way through. And I thought we could get,
Heart?
They might have it at Hobby Lobby actually as like a hazelnut flavoring. Then I can make it taste like a Ferrero Rocher.
You shut your mouth.
Kinder Buenos flavor.
Okay. Love it. See you there. Okay, so we're in here. We're looking at paper. Not the best options this year. We've already done that one. We had a really good one last year, but I don't know, Dad. I feel like this is like the most like girly pop. Okay, guys, we're going sunflower. Isn't that cute? So Dad's created a vibe. I also just like traditional Mambos, so maybe get one of the white ones too.
This one.
Yeah, because we have a lot of big things to wrap.
Yeah.
Now let's get a thing for the table. Dad's looking at all these like decorating things. Ooh, those are fun. And then we found this cake topper, and then we have to get some candles. We got some balloons. We got a bunch of balloons, other like regular balloons. That's hot. Dad's gonna make cake pops for Kenzie to take to school tomorrow. It's gonna be great. We're last minuting this year because we've been busy, but we're gonna pull it together. It's gonna be fabulous. Hi, it's Wednesday. It's November 29th. That means tomorrow's Kenzie's 12th birthday. Her last year with a child age. Because next year she'll be a teenager. Then once she's done with the teenager, she'll be in the 20s. So anyways, Dad's getting cutified right now. We have so much to do today. As was probably previously seen or will be seen shortly, is that Dad's making cake pops for Bro to take to school to give to her friends as a goodie at lunch. And then Dad made the birthday cake. I'm gonna wrap the presents. We're gonna blow up balloons. We're gonna do all the decorating and all that stuff later on tonight. She's got Beckett, her bestie, coming over because they've got dance. And Dad and me are gonna run some errands. We have to get a birthday card and a few other little things. Dad wants pizza for dinner. I don't, but he's done a lot, so Copper, maybe he deserves that. Hold still. The sun has left us, and it's supposed to rain on her birthday tomorrow. It just, but I'm super excited for Bro to turn 12. I'm super excited to give her gifts. And once her birthday is over, the next day is Christmas. It's crazy. Here's a fact. My favorite person in the world is in this car with me.
Aww. It is time to prepare for Kenzie's birthday. So she's gonna get a chocolate cake. She's gonna take a treat to school for her friends that she sits with at lunch, and we're gonna make cake pops. Normally I will do cakes from scratch for birthdays, but not when I have to make cake pops. So we're doing a funfetti and chocolate. Okay, 1, 2, and 3 cakes done. Okay, so to do the cake pops, I just bake it in like a, you know, whatever. Just bake a cake, no biggie. And then you just get it out of the pan. So let all that cool. Okay, and I'm feeling impatient. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna crumble the cake into a big bowl. They take a little while to make, but they're actually really easy as long as you can do this stuff. I've done these for many birthdays for Kenzie. Insert photos here, dude. Okay, I'm gonna make the frosting for her birthday cake. So it's 2.5 sticks of butter, unsalted, room temperature, softened, 2.5 cups of powdered sugar, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And did I say 2 tablespoons of heavy cream? Okay, now you're going to beat your butter for like 30 to 60 seconds. And we're gonna add our powdered sugar. And we're gonna color this frosting pink. Okay, so now we're gonna add our cream, vanilla, salt little mixture. And that's it. It's super easy and it's beautiful. And this makes, I'm gonna make a 2-layered, like a cake. And this is enough frosting to do that. And it's enough to do cupcakes. Now, we're gonna make the cake. Oh, I think you're gonna be. Look, it's cracked and it broke. I don't know what to do. What you didn't see is that I was having a panic attack and I was like, I can't do it. I don't have enough frosting. I broke the cake. I was literally having a panic attack, saying all kinds of words. I said so many words and Dee Dee was like, you're gonna be fine. But Dee Dee, what's the tradition?
If there's an issue with like something in the kitchen that you make, it always ends up being like the best you've ever done.
Yeah, it's true. It's so cute though. Okay, so I put too much icing or frosting in my cake, and so I have to freeze them, semi-freeze them. And then over here we're melting that fake white chocolate melty candy stuff, you know? We're working on that right now. Are those just obnoxious? So Kenzie's gonna take these to all her sweet little girlfriends at lunch tomorrow.
It's time to wrap presents. And this way in the Holgate house, Dad is setting up his production of Dad Bakes Cakey Poppies. All right, let's wrap. Behind the scenes of Dad Cam, Dad making the cutest, beautiful cake. Y'all, I'm gonna go pick up the pizza, but I'll be right back. And when I get back, I'll let y'all out, okay? I'm sorry. Okay, honey, I'll be back. Can you believe it's going to rain on Bro's birthday tomorrow? That should be against the law. We should never have rainy days on our birthdays. This is our weird clouded sky right now. Okay, I'm on my way to Domino's to pick up pizza. Dad's been doing things all day, and I've been going all day trying to do Vlogmas stuff. So Dad was like, let's just treat ourselves to pizza as if we didn't treat ourselves to everything last week. But you know what? YOLO. The birthday celebration begins. Raphael, Donatello, Michelangelo. Look at the sparkles in the air. Look at the sparkles. Oh, I can, but look what I have for you. Oh, this is more for Bryan than it is for anybody in the house. Oh, shush it. Will you take it off my hand before my arm falls off? Thank you, because I have this. Look what your father did. Turn it.
Does it do it justice, the glitter?
Yes.
Can you see the
I feel
shimmering?
very justified.
Oh my god.
So Dad got the family meal, of course he did. Patience, dear. Garlickies. Me and, oh my God, that smells good. Me and Dad. And the girls got regular kid one. In the land that we love, going to get a birthday card, okay? We always have a time to stop and look at ornaments. Isn't this one cool? A Bruni? And then I really like the friend's couch. What?
I want this one. And
I like all of the Nightmare ones, Bibi. We should do my DD trick where I hide them somewhere random in the store and then come back to 5 days after Christmas and they're $1.
Yeah.
What?
I'm buying this one because we got a puppy this year.
Oh, that's cute. Yeah, you are, sister. Dad pulled a DD. The first card he pulled is the one. We love it. It's so cute. I'll show you it tomorrow. I won't be silent. You can't keep me quiet. I want this side. Oh my God, with Star. I need the Star Lego. Do you think they sell it on Saba? Wait, is that what he's called? Abba? What's his name? Oh, Sabino? He shouldn't call him Sabino. Oh, Saba.
The whole office?
I'll get it for you.
That's cool.
Dad, up. On sale for $48. Did you want?
No.
2 in the cart? What? Kenzie, if you're 40 and watching this, this is what Dad looked like when he signed your 12th birthday card.
What's up?
Dad, throw the clothes at her. Ah, oh, there's Kenzie, by the way. You haven't even been in a video today. We're taking you to go get your nails done.
Get dressed.
Now.
Hurry.
What?
Yeah, we are.
Really?
Yeah. Yes, Kenzie, yes. Let me get a video. These are the nails. We just got home at 7:30. You like them?
I love them.
What's weird, a weird fact, is that you're going to have those on for 2 years while you're 11 and 12.
Oh, that's weird.
Hope you like it. Welcome to Dee Dee's peaceful Christmas music kitchen hangout chat. The last time I'll be coming to you solo while Kenzie's 11. Next time she'll be 12. Isn't that weird, y'all?
Yes.
So she's getting showered, and then we're gonna have, once we're all like in jammies, we're gonna let her open a really good gift that she can wear to school tomorrow. It's something that she's wanted really bad for like the last year, and now she gets it. Isn't it weird, bros? The next one to be an even number digit. That makes sense, right? She'll be 12, then Dad'll be 34. Wait. Oh, no. In the calendar year. In 2023, Dad turned 34, I turned 38, she turns 12. In 2024, Dad will turn 35, I'll be 39, she'll be 13. There you go. That makes sense. I was like, I know this is right. Anyways, yeah. Hi, look what I just did, bro. Wait, am I holding it the right way? Do you want to open an early birthday present?
Yes, Dee Dee, I do.
So, you know how you're becoming like a little woman?
Okay.
Oh, she's like, I thought it was gonna be Oaks.
No, I'm like, what is this? Something that you take to school and wear?
I don't know. I'm scared.
No, you did not.
Yeah, we did. Yeah, we
No,
did.
you did not.
Open it. Scrouch down. Let's open it.
I got it.
No, it's good.
Oh my god.
Wait till you open it. Me and Dad open it.
Oh my god.
It's for you to wear to school tomorrow.
Of course I'll wear it to school tomorrow.
She's like trembling. Hold it up.
Oh my god.
Isn't it amazing?
It's amazing.
Feel it.
Where did you find the extra small? Or extra small?
Wait, Dad hunted it down online.
Look how cute this is. It has a... You got the perfect one.
You like it?
Thank you
You're
so
welcome.
much.
What? Happy 12th birthday.
Yes.
Let's see it on you.
Oh, I love it.
That was worth it. Yeah, we were gonna take you to get like a outfit like we always do for your birthday to wear to school. But then I told Dad, I'm like, we don't have time. We have so much to do. And so we got this. Can we tell she's excited? And you get to open all your gifts tomorrow. Isn't that fun?
How cute this is gonna look.
Isn't this such a cute
And I
sweatshirt?
wear my Lulu shorts.
Repping California Pride.
And then
And she said she was shocked. She thought we would never get something like that.
No.
Winnie is trying to get the sun
Winnie, are you helping me?
She's trying to help Dad hang up the sunflower themed
Winnie,
balloons.
help.
Oh my god, I can't believe you're gonna be 12, bro. It's beginning to look a lot like bro's birthday. Isn't he brilliant? Dad, they're doing it again. They're cuting.
They're pretty dogging.
Yeah, they're pretty dog. We have really pretty dogging. Why are you guys so in sync? You're not even related. You're related by through the heart. Slowly trying to make my way to them so they don't move. Can you guys say we have really pretty dogs? There's the king of cake pops. Woo! Thanks for the cake pops, Dad. These are my pom-poms. I'm gonna go put these in the car to give it that nice country girl touch for the morning. And my one sock because of Winnie. But we took a good chance on the new girl in town, and I don't wanna let her down, down, down.
Is it because I'm
Welcome,
happy?
maybe, oh God. Welcome to Kenzie Holgate's final interview on this, the eve of her turning 12 tomorrow. She will go to bed tonight as 11 years old. And what happens? The 11-year-old leaves up out of your body. And what happens?
Then the 12 goes.
Okay. What's your favorite memory from being 11?
Probably.
Getting the jacket.
Oh my God, no. You had so many things this year. You had,
Just like.
you graduated from 5th elementary school. You have great friends. You went to camp.
Great friends. And.
You started middle school.
Started middle school. That's a lot of good things.
Got a puppy.
You skipped the awkward phase. What was your favorite?
Skip the awkward phase.
What was your favorite vacation we went on this year? California, Disney cruise,
Disney.
Jamaica wasn't this year. Okay. And what is your wish? What is your wish for age 12?
I hope that I have a good year in 6th and then starting 7th.
Yeah.
And then.
You'll be this is your last childhood one though.
And then I hope that all our trips go good.
They will. But next year when I do this, she'll be turning 13.
Ew.
That's like a teenager.
I'll be a teenager.
You finally achieved your goal from when you were 2. You always want to be teenagers. Oh. Roll call. Final 2 dad had. Good night. We love you. You're the best daughter in the world.
Love you.
Mwah. It's not too late. We could go to Neverland right now. Then you'll be alive forever. See you when you're 12, honey.
See you when you're 12. That's a stupid number.
Copper.
Oh, my little boy.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy early birthday. See you when you're 12. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
In the middle of the night. Dream good. Love you.
You have to say it all.
Love you more. We love you bigger. Good night. Happy birthday. And that was the last time we'll see Kenzie while she's 11. Who has the best father in the world? Kenzie does. Look at all those. Hold on, I want a picture. God,
Okay.
it's 11 a.m. I mean, it's 11 p.m. We're going to bed. We just put the gifts out. Our job is done. Good night. See you.
Dogs just ate her treats.
Lovely.